Let's go for Lesson 8. What did you do yesterday? Listen and repeat.
What did you do yesterday?
I had a party.
What did you do yesterday?
I went to the mall.
What did you do yesterday?
I slept late.
What did you do yesterday?
I took a test.
What did you do yesterday?
I flew a kite.
What did you do yesterday?
I won a race.
What did you do yesterday?
I met a movie star.
What did you do yesterday?
I found some money.
What did you do yesterday?
I broke a window.
What did you do yesterday?
I lost my cell phone.
What did you do yesterday?
I ate too much chocolate.